Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about how Baloyi is surviving the state case. Akusena case kaloku ekugqibeleni. Ekugqibeleni akusena case. We are where we are. Things are looking bad. And things have collapsed. Computers crashed. Yonke into nje yenzekile kunzima. Kunzima. After all, computers crash. Imisebenzi yaphela. Careers, people are ruined. There is no coming back from it all. Kubi, with the Madlanga Commission exposing left, right, and center, with the judicial, what's that? NPA also having its own commission on Chauke. There is a lot. Baloyi is stressed. Okay. So how is he surviving the state case at this point? Baloyi is surviving. Is he doing well? Thing is, things just went from bad to worse for the state in the Senzo Meyiwa trial, and Baloyi is no longer leading the charge. He's fighting to survive. He's fighting to survive. First of all, one of the things that I think they made it worse for him when he started, before he even started his cross-examination, it was worse when he was listening to evidence in chief. Then came cross-examination and it shattered everything, every hole that he had to dash on. Fake signatures, wrong ID numbers. Kosiam. The moment the court heard about fake signatures and incorrect ID numbers on the alleged Absalom Zungu statement that Gininda allegedly took from him, the state so-called breakthrough turned into a complete breakdown. It turned into a complete breakdown. Instead of strengthening the case, Baloyi is now deflecting and scrabbling to keep the state's narrative alive. Every fake signature, every mismatch in the ID, like another domino falling, and the dominoes are falling fast. Unzima in that courtroom. It's very yay. At some point, the people were whispering in the courtroom, and Judge Rata was shaking his head, looking concerned. I don't know why he was doing that, because he's a state advocate for that matter. And one thing for sure, the state's credibility is taking a serious hit, and not just a hit, it's taking hits. That's for sure. And the defense, they are just sitting there, just watching the unraveling with a smirk like, got you. Checkmate. Got you. Checkmate. Dalus Jailagad. Dalus Jailagad wena. State breakthrough, state breakdown, Senzo Meyiwa trial. Now, what is Baloyi going to do with this nonsense? What is he going to do? Baloyi is no longer building a state case. He is scrabbling to survive it. Fake signatures and wrong ID numbers on the alleged Absalom Zungu statement have turned the so-called breakthrough into a total breakdown. That's what's happening. Senzo Meyiwa trial drama, Senzo Meyiwa courtroom drama, Senzo Zungu, Absalom Zungu's effect, unzima. In a dramatic twist at the Senzo Meyiwa trial, the state case suffers a massive blow. Alleged fake signatures and incorrect ID numbers on the Absalom Zungu so-called statement meant to be the breakthrough, means the prosecution's breakthrough has turned into a full-on breakdown. That's what it means. Baloyi is no longer cross-examining to strengthen the case. He's cross-examining to survive it. The courtroom is witnessing a chain reaction of doubt and chaos. I can't talk like case. Ayikho empty. Kubi Ubaloyi akazazi ukuthi makazithini kubi. Someone needs to say. Can Batoyi say, hang on, put it on a halt, let's stop it? At this point, that's what Batoyi needs to do, because Ubaloyi uzoyenza kanjani? Uzothini? He must call his boss and say, he must stop with Inkani. He's pushing Inkani for no reason, because this Sanalam, it's an kind of situation. Uh-oh. Kumbi. Kubi, Mr. B. Kubi. Ntate Baloyi. Maka plan, bro. Uh-uh. Nabaloyi. Nasuba push. Don't do that. Sir, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot because, in fact, drop it because it's hot. Drop it because it's hot. Ubaloyi needs to really consider his life right now. Ulala njani ebusuku Ubaloyi, guys? How does he sleep? The cookie has crumbled. The glass, the just glass is in pieces. It's no longer just a shake. It's not longer a mine shaft doing the I'm shaking kind of. It's a mine shaft that has fallen, and people there are damages that has happened in the mine. There is a lot of things that are happening in the mine. Down there in the mine shaft, a lot is happening. It's a mine shaft, guys, at this point. And Baloyi is pushing Ingani. Hell no. Hell no. And Judge Rata is busy advocating for him. Aibo. Batembeni. Batembeni, guys. Ubaloyi no Judge Rata batembeni. Because at this point, they're supposed to be like, man, akuhambanga kahle. They're supposed to be like, man, akuhambanga kahle. Asiphume kule nto, asiyekeni le nto, angisadlali mina, abayeke. Akuhambanga kahle, guys. Why bangavene bayeke nje nabo? Hayi khona. Banenkani ne? Banenkani. Banenkani ne? Sure. Banenkani enkulu ke, if that is the case. Because what is this? Hayi banenkani enkulu, actually. No, banenkani. They are supposed to stop this. Kubi, ushubile. The case is no longer there. It's drama after drama. The trial has twisted. Fake signature is exposed. Fake ID numbers exposed. That's not child's play, Baloyi. That is not child's play, Baloyi. You need to reconsider a lot of things when it comes to this. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming through on my channel. Please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed as we are on our way to 15,000 subscribers. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.